So hi guys, my name is Siddhant and welcome back to a new video, and in today's video I am going to discuss some of the apps that I feel are very important for each and every entrepreneur to have in his or her smartphone, right? So we all know that smartphones are becoming smarter day by day and great apps are being built out there. There are some of the apps that I feel that every entrepreneur should have to improve his productivity, work efficiency, and some of them are even gaming apps. I feel that will help you improve your memory, focus, speed, problem solving, logical ability skills, right? So in this video I am going to tell you some apps that I think you should download them today itself, and some of them are free, some of them are paid, but most of them are free, and I feel that those apps will help you manage your work, your task, your personal as well as professional life very well. So if you're interested in knowing about these apps, then do watch this video till the end, and if you're new to this channel, do like the video, do subscribe to the channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest notifications of my videos on time. So hi guys, let's directly dive down into the video. So the apps in this video I feel belong to various categories, like some of them are for concentration focus, some of them are for note making, some of them are for managing finances, some of them are managing team collaboration, some of them are for hearing podcasts and playing games and all of these, right? So the apps don't belong to a specific category but are from various categories, and I feel that you should check all of them out, and I'll also give you the link for those apps in the description below so you can check them out from that link as well and download it if you feel that the app is necessary for you. So starting with the first app. The first app is one of my favorites, and in fact I've been using this app since my student days, right? So I used to use this app during my graduation and then my post graduation, and the app is called Forest. Now this app helps you to stay focused on a task. So whether you are working on something, or whether you are studying, or whether you are reading, or whether you are working on some important project, or something you're doing some research, then this app will help you maintain the focus, right, and work with concentration. So what you can do in this app is that you can set your specific time schedules, right? So if you want to work for 20 minutes and then take a break, so you can set the timer for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes as per your convenience, right? And during that time what you do is that you plant a tree in your forest, and so it starts from a sapling, then it becomes a plant, and then it becomes a tree, right? But the catch here is that if you pick up your phone in between the session before the timer ends, then that tree or that plant will die, right? So to improve your focus and to improve your concentration, you just need to do one thing, that is not pick up your phone and use your mobile phone while you're working on something, right? Because even if it's a virtual tree, trust me, when you see it grow from a seed to the sapling and to a plant and then to a tree, it feels really bad if you kill that tree when it is in plant stage or it is in the growing stage, right? So it helps you in maintaining focus, and it also has that little noise, the background noise, which makes you feel that you are in forest, and actually that background noise actually calms you down, right? It helps you in focusing on your task. So this is the first step, and also you get various types of trees based upon the level of your focus. So if you're good at focusing and if you're completing the stages, then you collect the coins, and with that coins you can unlock a new type of tree that you can plant in your forest, right? So there are multiple ways to keep you engaged with that app. And one more feature I like about this app is that there is a detailed report that you get. So you can get a detailed report of a week or of the whole month, right? So how you have focused and at what time have you worked and all of these things. So it is a very engaging and very useful app. So if you haven't tried it yet, then do download the Forest app. Now moving on to the second app, that is Evernote. Now most of you must have heard about Evernote, but very rarely we indulge in using that app. But I feel that as an entrepreneur, we are thinking about ideas, we are thinking about strategies, we are thinking about some team tasks, we are thinking about to-do lists and all those things. So Evernote is a great app in which you can list all those things. So suppose if you get an idea, then you can directly type it down into Evernote, and it has very easy to use formatting options, right? So there is not much hassle in understanding how to use it. You can also draft your strategies, your expenses, and the to-do lists that you want to finish, right? So Evernote is a great note-taking app. If you're not aware of it, then do download it and do use that app. Also, you can create separate notebooks to save your receipts, to save your bills, to save your strategies, to save your ideas, ideas, to save your tasks and all those things, right? So they won't get mixed as they get mixed in the generic note app, right, that you have in your smartphone. So if you use Evernote, then you can segregate all of them into different notebooks. Now the third one is actually a very interesting app, and it is the app about gaming that I was telling you during the intro. It is called Lumosity, and this is a great app for entrepreneurs who want to keep their mind dynamic and productive to make sharp business decisions, right? So this app is basically designed with an aim to enhance your memory, to improve your logical ability, to improve strategy making decisions, to make you more productive, and to make you more creative as well in your domain, right? So it is a fun interactive way to train your brain, and there are many science based games, logic based games, and they actually see how effectively your mind works. And also a great feature is that the app is available in multiple languages, so language would not be a barrier. So if you haven't checked out yet, then you should definitely check out Lumosity, right? So the fourth app for today is Pocket. Now as entrepreneurs, we need to stay updated with the news. We keep on reading some articles, we keep on reading some magazines or web pages or web articles, right? So once we read them, they just disappear from the browser. There is no way to save those articles or those web pages or those magazines or those news articles that you read on the internet. So Pocket helps you to basically save those online articles to offline in your device, so that you can read them whenever you have time or as per your convenience. If you haven't completed reading the full article, then you can just save that article on Pocket, and then you can read it anytime. And the best thing is that even if that article gets deleted from the internet, that article will still be available in your device, because Pocket actually saves that article offline into your device. So you can basically save content from over 1500 apps. So you can save images, videos, content, news. You can save some stuff from social media apps as well. So Pocket is a very interesting app, and it is not just a bookmarking app, but once you finish reading the article, you can also archive it or you can delete it as well. Now the fifth app for today is Dropbox. Now all of us have heard of Dropbox, but Dropbox has a business version as well, right? So what Dropbox actually does is that it delivers instant connectivity and enables the sharing of photos, files, documents, whatever thing you want to share with your team, or you want to save it on the cloud through any mobile or laptop or any device, right? So it is a free cloud-based file storing service, and it is extremely useful. And if you take the business version, then it has various other features as well, like connecting with your team, having a live chat using integrated features like Zoom or Skype. So it is actually extremely handy when it comes to sharing files with a team member. You can actually send large sized files as well, and it is very convenient compared to sending emails back and forth, right? And it has various other features to improve your productivity and efficiency in terms of functioning of a business. So do check out Dropbox Business, right? Now the sixth app for today, it is a very well-known app known as Canva. Now most of us use Canva on our laptops or desktops, right? But Canva as an app is very useful. So if you're traveling anywhere, it is a one-stop shop for all your social media marketing, creating presentations, posts, flyers, brochures, all of these things you can just create from one app, and that is Canva. So you can create infographics, you can create posters, you can create presentations, you can create business reports, you can create anything using default Canva templates. If you want to use the free version, you can use the default templates that are for free, or you can also purchase the pro version of Canva, which also has an integrated feature to communicate or chat with your team members. So Canva is a great platform to create graphics from anywhere, any part of the world. So download the Canva app on your mobile today. Now the last and the seventh app for today is Asana. Now Asana is basically a SaaS product designed to improve team collaborations and work management, right? It helps team manage projects and tasks in just one tool. Now teams can create projects, they can assign work to the teammates, specify deadlines, and communicate the tasks directly to anyone through Asana. Now what Asana does is that basically it helps you to stay on track, keep your projects organized, and make sure that you hit deadlines. So you can also see the project progress. You can track the individual progress of your employees or your colleagues. So you can also integrate it with other multiple tools that are out there as well. So if you're looking for a tool that basically helps you to handle the workflow and to bring the entire company on the same page, then Asana is the best option available out there. So guys, that's it for today. I hope that you liked all the suggestions, and I feel that those 6-7 apps are the ones that I feel every entrepreneur should have in his or her smartphone. phone, and all of them are available both on Android as well as iOS. And if you're looking to download any of those, then you can find the links in the description box as well. So guys, I hope you download those apps today and make your smartphone even smarter and improve your work efficiency and utilize the full potential of your smartphone. So if you like the video, then do hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest notifications of my videos on time. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, thank you.